Hello guys, welcome back. And this is the ninth day of the 30-day challenge to get fluent in English. I hope you all are doing well. So without any further ado, let's get started. In this video, I'm gonna talk about real life conversation vocabulary, phrases, as well as simple sentences. This video is going to be very helpful for beginners. So please hang with me till the end of video. So guys, let's begin with vocabulary and their meanings. Dawn means the early morning when light first appears in the sky. Dusk when the sun has already gone down and it is nearly dark. Example, I work in the office from dawn until dusk. Commute. Commute means to travel a long distance from home to work every day. Examples, he commutes every day by bus. How do you commute? By bus or train? Let's practice some common phrases and simple sentences. Excuse me, hi, what's the plan? What is your name? I need your help. Can I help you? I have a question. I don't have time. I will be right back. I am thirsty. I am on my way. I have an idea. That's better. It's too expensive. I can't believe it. You are right. Let's celebrate. It's not a big deal. Nice to meet you. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. I am truly grateful. That makes sense. Let's do it. That's enough. Believe me. What do you want? Call me back. Are you coming? I will catch you soon. This is not fair. Is all good? Enjoy yourself. I do not mean it. I hate you. It doesn't matter. I talked with him. Be calm. It's up to you. Please be seated. Keep the books in order. How disgusting. I hope so. What did you say? This is not a joke. The matter is clear. What can I do for you? Draw the curtain. She looks tired. Don't play innocent. Don't argue with me. You are wrong. Don't lose hope. Get out of my sight. Don't get me wrong. Did anyone hit you? My phone is ringing. My right eye is twitching. The wind is blowing. My phone ran out of battery. Please plug in the charger before you go to bed. Have you had your tea? Where are you going? I am going to work. It's okay. Everything is fine. Please keep quiet. What an idea. How dare you say that? Think before you speak. So guys, I hope you got this video informative. By the way, I would like to give you one bonus tip. Here you go. You should watch real life conversation videos every day. It would help us to build vocabulary. And see you in the next video guys. Take care. Bye bye.